In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add email subscription pop-up to your Wix website. To begin, open your Wix editor so you are inside the website you want to update. This is where you will add and control the pop-up that visitors see when they land on your site. A subscription pop-up can be a helpful way to grow your email list, promote updates, and encourage visitors to stay connected with your brand. Once you are in the editor, go to the left side of the screen and click Add Elements, marked with the plus icon. This section contains all the design and interactive features you can place on your website. From there, select Interactive. Inside this category, look for lightboxes. Lightboxes are pop-up windows that appear on top of the page content, which makes them ideal for announcements, offers, or email sign-up forms. Now choose a subscribe template that fits the style of your website. Wix provides ready-made designs, so you do not need to build the pop-up from scratch. Pick one that looks clean and easy to read. After adding it, take a moment to customize the subscribe form. You can adjust the text, colors, layout, and overall appearance so it matches your site branding. Keep the message simple and clear so visitors immediately understand why they should subscribe. After the form looks the way you want, click on the lightbox itself and find the Set Triggers option. This is where you control how and when the pop-up appears. Enable the setting that allows the lightbox to automatically display on pages. This makes sure visitors will see it without needing to click anything first. Next, set the delay timer. This is an important detail because it controls how long a visitor stays on the page before the pop-up appears. A short delay can help get attention quickly, while a slightly longer delay may feel less intrusive. Choose a timing that fits the experience you want to create for your visitors. Once everything is in place, click Save to keep your changes. Then click Publish so the subscription pop-up goes live on your Wix website. Publishing is what makes the update visible to your site visitors, so be sure not to skip that final step. That covers everything you need to know.